Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Remove heavy styling and detangle quickly so Rosemary Shampoo reaches scalp. Wet hair thoroughly with warm water. This opens follicles and helps spread product. Shake the bottle to mix botanical oils, then dispense 1-2 pumps for short hair or 2-4 for long hair into your palm. Rub hands together briefly to warm the formula. This helps lather and avoids cold shock to the scalp. Once done, bring hands to roots and prepare to apply. You apply the shampoo to your scalp, not the ends, because rosemary targets follicles and oil buildup. Use your fingertips to massage in circular motions for 60-90 seconds. This stimulates circulation and ensures active ingredients penetrate. If lather is thin, add a splash of water and continue. Water emulsifies the oils and spreads product through mid-lengths without overloading tips. Make sure to keep movements gentle to prevent tangles. Once you rinse with warm water until the water runs clear, because leftover product can weigh hair down or irritate skin. After rinsing, apply conditioner only to mid-lengths and ends to seal the cuticle. Leave it on for 1-2 minutes so it smooths and protects. Rinse lightly with cool water to close cuticles, then blot dry with a towel and style normally, air dry or use low heat. Troubleshooting tip: if you experience irritation or heavy residue, stop use. Rinse thoroughly and test a small area before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.